How to create a WhatsApp business account. Step-by-step guide. Grab audience attention. Want to take your business to the next level? Ever wished you could connect with your customers directly, without any hassle? Well, guess what? You can do this with WhatsApp Business. You can interact with customers, showcase your products, and even automate messages, all for free. Hi viewers, I am Dr. Naeem, and today we will learn that how we can expand our business through WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp business account from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up a professional WhatsApp business profile, add product listings, and accept orders, automate messages to engage customers, organize chats for better business management. So, if you're ready to boost your business using WhatsApp, stay with me till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Install WhatsApp Business app. The first step in setting up your WhatsApp business account is to install the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. To do this, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp Business, click Install, and wait for it to download. Once installed, open the app. Great. You've successfully installed the WhatsApp Business app. Now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Register your business number. Now, you need to register a phone number for your business. Important tip: it's best to use a separate number for your business so that you can easily manage customer interactions without mixing them with personal messages. To register your number, click Agree and Continue. Choose whether to use your existing WhatsApp number or a new one. Enter your business phone number and click Next. You will receive a verification code, OTP, via SMS. Enter the OTP and your number will be verified automatically. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your business number. Step 3. Create a professional business profile. A well-optimized business profile helps customers understand your business quickly. Set up your business profile. Add a profile picture. Click on the profile picture icon and upload your business logo or a relevant image. Enter your business name. Choose a name that represents your business. Select business category. Choose from options like retail, services, e-commerce, etc. Add a business description. Write a short, engaging description of what you offer. Enter your address and website. If you have a physical store, enter the location. Once everything is filled in, click Next, and your business profile is now ready. Step 4. Notify customers about your business. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to let your customers know about your WhatsApp business account. To do this, open your WhatsApp business chat, select a contact, type a short message introducing your business and services, click Send. When customers receive this message, they can visit your profile, check your products, and start interacting with you. Tip: you can also share your WhatsApp business link on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach more people. Step 5. Add products to your catalog. One of the best features of WhatsApp Business is the product catalog, where customers can browse and order directly from your profile. To add products, click on Business Tools, select Catalog, click Add Item, upload images of your product, enter the product name, price, and description, click Save. WhatsApp allows you to add up to 500 products. Once approved, your products will be visible on your profile for customers to browse and purchase. Step 6. Receive and manage orders. Now that your catalog is set up, let's see how customers can place orders. Customers can open your WhatsApp profile, select a product from your catalog, click Add to Cart, review the cart, and send you a message once an order is placed. You will receive a message in your WhatsApp chat with all the details. You can chat with the customer, confirm the order, and proceed with the delivery. Pro tip: add payment options in the description so customers know how to pay before placing an order. Step 7. Automate customer messages. Want to reply to customers even when you're offline? WhatsApp Business allows you to send automated messages for better customer engagement. Set up auto-reply messages. Away messages: send an automatic response when you're offline. Greeting messages: automatically welcome new customers. Quick replies: save common responses to quickly reply to FAQs. To set up automated messages, go to Business Tools, click Away Message or Greeting Message, enable the feature and customize your message. Click Save. Now, your customers will receive instant responses even when you're not available. Step 8. Organize chats with labels. As your business grows, managing orders and customer queries can become challenging. To stay organized, use labels to categorize chats. To add labels, go to your WhatsApp business chat, hold the chat you want to label, click label, and choose from options like New order pending payment, order shipped VIP customer. It must helps you track your orders and prioritize important messages. Final step. Set business hours. Want customers to know when you're available? You can set business hours on your profile. To do this, go to Business Tools, click Business Profile, select Business Hours, enter your working hours, and save now. Your customers will know when they can reach you. Final recap. Rocket, congratulations. You've now successfully set up your WhatsApp business account. Here's what we covered. Installed WhatsApp business app, created a business profile, added products to catalog, automated messages for quick replies, managed orders and customer chats. Efficiently want to connect your website to WhatsApp? Stay tuned for our next video. Like, share and subscribe to Trend AI today for more amazing tutorials.